Kan de chef cousin erbij?
Ja.
She's dancing. She's dancing. She's dancing.
Oh shit, sorry girl.
Oh,
My BD. 6, 7. Dun, 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 dun. Look at mud, bro. Screen for me? Oh. I'm running from the screen, bro. He's fucking lazy. Hey! Otro, Amir! Mira! 와도! 야, 와도! You got your shirt out there? You gonna go back again?
Let's go back and get it.
Yeah, let's go fucking swim.
You're gonna come back with your shirt. You're gonna leave your boxers.
You want boxers?
I should go back.
Go boxers? Down, shift down. Make it into a thong. Just go down there, lay down. Don't even go. What's you say, bro?
Want some machinos?
Oh, open it, bro. That's for everybody, yeah?
Get them right.
Oh, you got too excited with your marinade.
Nigga threw his fucking emergency.
You got too excited with your marinade.
That's me, bro. Look. This is the only long piece of hair I got, dog. Told you, it's a fucking emergency. Jeffrey Dahmer. I'm fucking have you choke on the chicken with a piece of hair.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
hey, check the bird.
Yeah, bro. I just watched something. It's gonna be crazy as fuck. He comes back with that bird. Ooh, damn. That's gonna fall down the freaking the charcoal, the smoke is the dust is picking up into the.
Huh? I hit him up.
I was just slept on it. Damn. My story.
Mommy's boy, bro. Is that a tent over there? Nani?
Look, Funky Dish is by herself.
Nani? Yara! See, you think if you do that piece, you can throw it all the way out into the ocean?
Oh, that bird is coming. Throw it next to you. And we're gonna give you a bunch of cuckoo.
But throw the fossil fucking
That's real.
Come on. Marigold, we will tell it. Come on.
He's only getting turnover by out of bounds.
Yeah.
By Skittles.
You're like that one guy from my Yara. You know, 43. Go ahead.
Tum chaka tum chak tum chak tum tum tum.
Come. Say.
Man, that looks nice, bro. Look at it. For real? Oh shit. The bird is shitting on your shit.
Andrew, grab me a chicken and a hot dog. I'm gonna get my own.
What kind?
Fuck no.
Nini, what is this?
Stank.
Yeah. Nini. Then they just washed it with the towels.
Any kind of chicken. Just one chicken and one hot dog.
Look, he's not scared of the fucking thing. He's not scared of the fucking burn, man.
He's the type of nigga to fucking catch it right, fly off in their fucking.
Spill it. Argero, spill that on her rice, please. No, the sauce. It's not. Spill it, just. Look, spill the sauce on the rice. In there. No. In the chicken.
He's not getting no food.
You robi kana robo rogajewa or George Chuukese. I know they can hear me munching.
Nigga, I said chicken, not rib.
Yara.
Forgive you. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Hey, knock.
Warm it up in it.
Knock lock.
Yara.
Knock lock.
Knock.
Who's there?
Tastes like.
Tastes like who?
It's like chicken.
What the fuck?
You remember that?
Mm-hmm.
Mario. That was mine and then use knock joke.
What the fuck?
Hey, Carl.
Yes.
One that nigga was like, you see him in the hallway cleaning.
Bang.
You got them all.
That nigga was like,
Yara.
Bang.
yeah, that nigga looks stupid as fuck. He's like,
Come.
Bang. Watch. Knock.
who's there?
Tastes like.
It's like chicken.
Come.
That's an OG joke, bro. Only OG
I hit
know
this
that.
shit on him. Tastes like who? Tastes like chicken? What the fuck?
Only OGs know that tastes like chicken.
Knock.
That shit was invented in Kansas.
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
Mr. Wake goddamn joke. This nigga's.
No cap.
Y'all ready for the knock joke?
Let's hear it.
Mr.
No, it's
Gay
not y'all
Path.
ready for a knock. Who's ready for a knock?
Silly strange.
He used to be so bored. He looked like he didn't even want to be there.
Look like he got fake legs.
For real. That nigga was grooved.
He was, yeah. He was
That was
fucked up.
grooved.
Yeah.
He was grooved. It ass. Mr. Laypath.
What are you doing?
Mr. Laypath or Mr. Cuthbert?
That big belly
Look at
girl.
Mr. Gotchberg. Mr. Gotchberg was fucking sunset.
Come.
I ran into Christensen, bro. Me and this guy, the vice principal.
He was cool. Christensen.
Yeah.
Bro,
That's it.
oh, Sunset?
And he went to Clip now.
Yeah.
Come.
He's the one that took me in when the homies fought. He tried to say it was me. Remember him? That was the guy.
Oh man.
The drinks or the like to wash hands? Drink? Right in front of us. Oui.
Pour up.
The nigga got scared because he was putting his hand in Japanese news like
Inside the mud. Man, your face is red already.
Huh? It's hurting? On the sun or? Hey, how deep does it go?
See the fucking, the white thing is right here. White thing is just right here.
Check. They probably ran out.
Yeah,
Oh, that shit looks clear.
I was about there's no place around.
Oh wait, no. Ruby has the rest in his car.